Good morning, friends and fellow traders. This is Doug Campbell with Right Way Options, coming to you with the morning market preparation video for January 4th, 2018. So, my goodness, we finally got those bulls woke up here in the diamonds yesterday. They started to take off. If we take a look at a short-term chart, you can see here all of a sudden in the afternoon they really started to get inspired and began moving up. Now, this morning, futures are extremely bullish in the Dow, and it looks as if we could reach our 25,000 mark here at almost at the open. It's going to be within a hair or two. If it opens right now, it would be within striking distance very, very easily. So I would expect 25,000 is going to be breached today. Now, the big question is, will it be breached and held as support? Will we be able to break through that level and have this prove to be a good support level to move on higher? Or will this end up being that big round number? Will this big round number end up being a significant level of resistance? There's no way to know. All we can do is watch that price action for that. But clearly, the bulls are large and in charge. They want this market higher. And, anticipation of earnings coming up and all those things could certainly move us there. New record highs in the Dow, the SPY. SPY, beautiful move out of this pop out of the box type pattern, and the Qs, all new record high prints yesterday, and we're gapping to new highs yet again this morning. If we take a look at IWM, IWM's the only index that really didn't participate yesterday. I mean, it's been bullish, but we're still stuck in this consolidation. As it looks like right now, even IWM is going to reach up here toward these high prints that it's made here in the past. So everything seems to be coming up roses for the market. The bulls are definitely stampeding ahead. And it looks like we're going to hit some historic levels today. 25,000 in the Dow. Let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX just, I'm telling you, it's amazing here how low the VIX is. And with this rally today, we could actually see the Dow, see the VIX come close, if not doing it, make a new all-time record low in the VIX. There is no fear in this market whatsoever, and that's a great thing. I mean, enjoy times like this. This has truly been an amazing time to have been a trader, has it not? I mean, we've just experienced more bullishness over the last year or so. I mean, it's truly been remarkable. Easy to make money. Just stick with the trend, and those trends just continue to resolve to the upside. So I want, with that in mind, I want to also caution on the dangers of becoming complacent. It's very, very easy in a market like this to get lazy, to not plan ahead, to not think about what if something occurs here. Now we're reaching that point. We have this historic 25,000 level. We have all of these great things going on in the market. The party is in full force. Everybody wants to party, and that's great. Just remember that someday in the future, could be today, could be years from now. I have no idea when this will happen. I'm not trying to predict that. But eventually the tide will go out. And those that are complacent, those that aren't planning ahead, those that aren't maintaining their discipline to price action and discipline to their rules and their plan, will definitely be damaged at that time. So please be careful. I just want to, hey, take advantage of everything this market has to offer right now. It's just phenomenal. But don't be complacent. Stay focused and stay disciplined to your rules, and make sure that you always have a plan of exit. Okay. Being an old military guy, I always kind of revert back to my old military training, and that is to always be prepared. Always be prepared. Have that go bag ready to go, packed, ready, thought about. Everything's ready to go, just in case. I'm not suggesting that's going to happen, but it will eventually. So just don't allow complacency to get the better of you here, is all I'm suggesting. Hey, today we have a lot on the economic calendar. First, 8:15, we have the ADP unemployment report. Now, I got to tell you, the ADP has really been losing credibility with the market. It's just missed the number so widely for so long that it's starting to lose credibility with the market. They are expecting somewhere around 188,000, I think is what they're expecting the number to be on the employment number today there. So keep that in mind. Jobless claims follow right after. Jobless claims are looking for a little bit of decline. Employment is historically strong here. So I see no change coming in this, unless there's some kind of really remarkable surprise, and I would really doubt that. These two reports should support the market. Now, the question, I think, the big, and we've got all these other, reports in here and bill announcements and things like that really are unlikely to move the market. But keep in mind this right here. The petroleum status report is one that kind of sneaks up on you. It's not forecast into the future. No one has a forecast out there that says they expect this or expect that. Currently, there is a mild trend down in our supplies. So current national supplies are slowly moving lower. That is helping to hold or bolster oil prices, and we've seen that here recently with oil has really been on a tear here just lately. Now, this report today could have the biggest impact of the day if the market is surprised by a surprise build in supplies. You could see those oil companies and oil stocks be dramatically affected, and a sell-off could occur there. Now, that could damage the overall market. It's really, really hard for the market to rally if a big sector of the market is suddenly moving lower. So be careful of that. What I'm hoping for, I'm holding long oil for sure, both in the refining area and as a basket of oil. I want to see, those supplies continue to decline in that trend. So I'm in the same basket here, but I'm going to be very watchful of that as we move forward. So stay focused to this report today. It could be the key to whether the bulls stay really charging forward or we start to slip a step here. Not suggesting we collapse, but we just may stumble. Also today on the earnings calendar, we have about 16 companies reporting today. None of what I would say is a major report or anything, a market moving type report, but like this morning we have Monsanto reporting. They've been moving up in anticipation of earnings. We'll have to see how that report comes out. That's this morning before the market. There are a few other, reports out there. Nothing that I see would be, particularly noteworthy. LW is one that's reporting here before the market opens. Oh my goodness. I think this is just a bad tick right now. It doesn't look like they've reported yet, but nice move up here. LW will be reporting this morning. Then after the bell, we have reports from FC reports after the bell, and also stocks like PSMT reporting after the bell, and Sonic Restaurants reporting after the bell. So kind of keep those in mind. I don't see anything here that's likely to move the market particularly. I think the big report of the day is going to be that petroleum status report. Let's take a look at T2122. By the way, I get lots of questions about T2122. This is an indicator in the TC2000 system. Not promoting TC2000 or anything like that, but T2122 is within their system, and I just plot it as a line. And nothing fancy here. It's just it sets very good ranges for reversal zones. And right now we are still sufficiently away from any kind of a reversal zone. We have all kinds of potential room to move higher here. So I have no real fear of an imminent rollover. And the way the market is looking right now, it's showing lots of strength. So nothing going on here that would be of major concern. From there, hey everyone, I want to say thank you and ask you to please, if this is the first time you've seen these videos, please click the subscribe button there on YouTube and the follow me button on Facebook. And also, feel free to share this video with any of your friends and family that might find it helpful. And also do me a favor and click those thumbs up buttons. That helps me a lot. Drop a comment if you feel it's worthy. And I want to say thank you to everyone. Everyone have a great day. I wish you great profits. See you all right back here bright and early tomorrow morning. Take care now.